Hello Lion Nation, Desi Kirchhofer, your superintendent here to thank you for another great year. It's a beautiful sunny day as we just wrapped up the school day and the school year, and we have a wonderful year of individual student and school success stories. Whether it was in academics, athletics, leadership, service, or in character, Northwest students continue to impress. We had several programs and activities that reached state recognition and then also national recognition. At the school level, we added a Leader in Me Lighthouse team, as well as 2 school states of character and a national school of character. At the high school, we wrapped up graduation just last week, and the seniors accumulated over $11 million in scholarship money. Just amazing feats. It was honestly a great year. So whether you're participating in a summer program, in summer school, maybe a camp, or getting a job, or getting ready for vacation, or even a day at the pool, Lion Nation definitely wants you to jump in with both feet and make a big splash. Have a great summer, Lion Nation. This is crazy. This is crazy. Cannonball! Woo! Have a great summer.